Did you know you can make $100 a day using AI without any tech skills or experience? In this video, I'm revealing 5 powerful AI tools that are helping me earn daily income, whether it's through content creation, automation, or simple side hustles. These tools are beginner-friendly, scalable, and totally 2025 proof. Before we jump in, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on money-making tools like these. Let's get into it. Tool 5. Copy.ai for social media management. Copy.ai is a powerful tool designed to make social media content creation fast and easy. As more businesses realize the importance of maintaining an active and consistent social media presence, the demand for social media managers continues to grow. This presents a great opportunity for anyone looking to earn income by offering social media services. With Copy.ai, you can quickly generate engaging posts, catchy captions, relevant hashtags, and even full content calendars, all tailored to different platforms. Using Copy.ai, you can offer full-service social media management to clients. This could include content creation, post scheduling, and even basic analytics reporting to track performance. Small businesses and solo entrepreneurs often don't have the time or expertise to handle this themselves and are typically willing to pay between $300 and $500 per month for help. That means even with just 6 to 10 clients, you could easily earn over $100 per day, hitting your income goals consistently. One of the best features of Copy.ai is that it understands how to write for different platforms. It can generate content with the right tone and structure for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. This ensures that the posts you create feel native to each platform. Plus, it can produce content variations, helping you avoid repetition and keeping your feed fresh and interesting. When you combine Copy.ai with scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite, you can manage multiple clients efficiently. These tools allow you to plan and automate posts in advance, giving you more control over your time. Altogether, this approach helps you deliver high-quality, consistent content while building a profitable social media management business. Tool 4. Synthesia for video content creation. Synthesia is a powerful AI video creation platform that allows you to produce high-quality, professional videos without needing to appear on camera or record your voice. Instead, it uses realistic AI avatars and voiceovers to deliver your message. This is especially useful for people who are camera shy or don't have access to expensive video production equipment. With video content becoming increasingly important in marketing and communication, Synthesia opens the door for anyone to tap into this growing market. Businesses across all industries need videos, whether it's for product demos, training materials, explainer videos, social media campaigns, or website content. However, traditional video production can be time-consuming, expensive, and require technical skills that many business owners don't have. Synthesia eliminates those barriers by allowing users to create professional videos in just a few minutes, making it a cost-effective and scalable solution for clients. As a service provider, you can use Synthesia to offer valuable video creation services. Clients are often willing to pay $50 to $150 per video, depending on the length, complexity, and topic. Once you become comfortable with the platform, it's possible to create several videos per day. This means you could easily earn over $100 daily by delivering just 1 or 2 high-quality videos to paying clients. The key to success with Synthesia is to target specific niches where demand for video is strong. For example, real estate agents need property tour videos, e-commerce brands want product showcases, and online educators need training content. Tool 3. Jasper AI for marketing and sales copy. Jasper AI specializes in creating marketing and sales copy that converts. While ChatGPT is great for general content, Jasper is specifically trained to write persuasive copy that drives action. This makes it incredibly valuable for businesses looking to improve their marketing materials, and there's huge demand for skilled copywriters who can deliver results. You can use Jasper to create sales pages, email sequences, ad copy, product descriptions, and landing pages. The tool comes with templates for different types of copy, making it easy for beginners to get started. Many businesses struggle with writing compelling copy that actually converts visitors into customers, which is where your Jasper-powered services come in. Position yourself as a conversion copywriter who specializes in AI-enhanced copy. You can charge premium rates because you're focused on results rather than just writing. Many copywriters charge $100, $500 per sales page, and with Jasper's help, you can create high-quality copy much faster than traditional methods. Even landing just 2 clients per week at $50 each would put you over your daily target. Tool 2. Midjourney for digital art and design. Midjourney is an AI image generator that creates stunning artwork from simple text descriptions. Even if you can't draw a stick figure, you can use Midjourney to create professional-looking designs, illustrations, and digital art that people will pay for. The platform has become incredibly sophisticated, producing images that rival professional graphic designers. You can monetize Midjourney creations in several ways. Create custom artwork for clients, design logos and branding materials, produce stock images for websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock, or create digital prints to sell on Etsy and similar platforms. Many entrepreneurs are also using Midjourney to create unique designs for print-on-demand products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. The key to success with Midjourney is understanding how to write effective prompts and knowing what types of images are in demand. Study trending designs, learn basic design principles, and practice creating different styles. You can charge anywhere from $20 for simple designs to $200 for complex custom artwork. With practice, you can create multiple designs per day, making it relatively easy to reach $100 in daily earnings. Tool 1. ChatGPT for content creation services. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's a powerful tool for offering professional writing services to businesses and individuals. With the right approach, you can use ChatGPT to create blog posts, social media captions, product descriptions, email newsletters, and compelling marketing copy. The key is mastering how to write effective prompts and then refining the AI's output to align with your client's tone, brand, and messaging style. To get started, build your presence on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Offer specific services such as blog writing, copywriting, or social media content creation. When you land a client, use ChatGPT to generate the first draft of the content, then edit and polish it to make it unique, high quality, and tailored. Many freelancers charge between $25 and $50 per blog post, and with ChatGPT speeding up your workflow, you can write a 1,000-word article in under an hour. That means producing 3 to 4 quality pieces a day is realistic, easily surpassing a $100 daily goal. What makes this strategy effective is that you're not relying solely on AI, you're elevating its output with your own creativity and expertise. AI gives you speed and structure, but your input ensures the content meets professional standards. This approach not only helps you deliver fast results, but also builds trust with clients who value originality and personal attention. So, which of these AI tools are you trying first? Whether you're starting from scratch or just looking for extra cash flow, these tools can make it happen. Drop your questions or results in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our journey. Amazing content is coming every week.